Coming up on the drone update, people are doing crazy things with drones and they're paying the price. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, I'm David Plummer from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. If you love drones and the ways they are changing the world, you've come to the right place, so make sure you hit like and subscribe. Today, we're talking about the dark side of drones and the silly people that are leading the way. Let's start out with a guy named Sam Foreman, a likable mate from Australia who loves two things in life, drones and fishing. So he and three of his friends spent 2 years and $20,000 to design and build a drone that combines Sam's two passions. That's right, they made a homemade drone that can lift a human being, and he decided to go fishing with it and then post it on the internet, of course, because it didn't happen if it wasn't on the internet, right? Now, I appreciate his inventiveness, but now Sam and his friends might be facing a fine of $1,000 and up to 5 years in jail. I don't think a flying fishing drone chair is worth 5 years in jail, Sam. Next up, a while back I told you about a company called ThrowFlame and their drone attachment that allows you to spray a stream of fire up to 25 feet. And in another story, a guy attached Roman candles to his drone and chased his friends with it. I know what you're thinking, this sounds like fun, but guess what? It's also super illegal. In fact, the FAA had to put out an announcement saying that you can't attach weapons to drones. If that wasn't clear before, well, now it is. So put those plans for the axe-wielding Tello on the back burner. And finally, a lot of people are concerned about drones falling out of the sky and hitting people, killing them. And I get it, nobody wants to take a Phantom 4 in the face. But several universities and the FAA got together to find out if a drone the size of a Mavic Pro or DJI Phantom could kill a person if it hit them like this, or even this. Turns out the answer is no. These are the most popular consumer drones on the market, and they likely wouldn't kill you if they hit you in the face. Would it hurt? Well, let's find out from a YouTuber named That Guy with the Buffaloes, who recently uploaded this video.
So beware, kids. Don't drive tractors and fly drones at the same time.
I'm pretty sure that hurt, but it's better than being dead, depending on your outlook. So what have we learned here today? Be safe with your drone. Follow the FAA rules. Don't attach weapons to it. Don't fly near people. Don't try to fly a drone at your face. And just overall, be conscious that there are other people around that you don't want to hurt. But we also know that you're probably not going to get killed if a Phantom 4 flies and hits you. So that's, bright side. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.